Well, here's the latest on the case involving scientist R.K. Pachauri. Delhi Saket Court has given him interim relief in the case where he's facing sexual harassment charges. The court has issued notice to the investigating officer to be present in the next hearing and has directed no arrest to be made till then. The court is now set to hear the arguments on Pachauri's anticipatory bail on 26th.
Nobel laureate R.K. Pachauri is fighting allegations of sexual harassment, and in some relief, a Delhi court has stayed his arrest till Feb 26th.
Essentially, the purpose of this application was to inform the judge that Dr. Pachauri will be cooperating in the investigation process with respect to this matter. And also, since he's unwell and is admitted to a hospital, there's no reason for arrest to be made at this point in time.
For now, an investigating officer has been directed to probe the anticipatory bail plea grounds of R.K. Pachauri.
We're standing right outside house number 160 in Golf Links that belongs to Dr. R.K. Pachauri. We've been trying to get in touch with him. In fact, we've also tried to come to his house to get a sense of where he could be. As of now, his staff would inform us that he has not come back home and they would not be really wanting to divulge any more details.
But trouble seems to be mounting for Nobel laureate, as activist Vrinda Grover has alleged yet another former employee of R.K. Pachauri wants to break her silence.
I will quote from her article. A sexual harasser then 10 years back, a sexual harasser today. He did it to me and others then. He has done it to her and possibly others now.
For now, Pachauri's arrest has been stayed in one sexual harassment case till Feb 26th. Bureau Report, Times Now.